Hi guys, it's Simeon from LettingLead. I'll be taking you through the product today for roughly 10 minutes. This is recorded, so maybe if I speak too quickly or you misunderstand anything at all, you will be able to watch it again. I'll start by giving you a brief overview of LettingLead and of the main pages, and then we'll run through an example of how it can be used on a day-to-day basis. I'll just cast my other screen. So if you head over to lettinglead.com, and we'll start by logging in. Just to be clear, LettingLead is a lead generation tool for estate and letting agents. You can use it to provide an instant and free property valuation to your website visitors in exchange for their contact details. In turn, these details will then be sent over to you through email, ready to pursue before they forget about you or look elsewhere. So the first screen that we're taken to is a list of our leads. These are obviously the people who have entered their details into either the contact form or the valuation page. We've also got the source of where the lead came from, and that's if you do have multiple landing pages, so it just makes it clear where they've actually come from. Let's head over to landing pages. So like I said, you can have multiple landing pages, and you'll be able to see the difference in this traffic light system on the left. If we click new landing page, let's create a new one. So for example, let's create a contact form. Just give it a name and a type. And you'll also notice we've got a few options for styling as well. We also can create a custom landing page which matches your company website, which right now is free, so take advantage of that. If we head over to market data, this basically lists some local information about sales and lettings, and this can be used by your agents or by yourselves just to give a more accurate property valuation. Okay, so now we've gone over the main pages of LettingLead. I'm going to run through a quick example of how this can be used. To do that, I'm going to go over to an example website that I've made. So as a landlord, I've gone to your website and I'm tempted by the offer of a free property valuation. So I'm going to click Get Appraisal, and instantly I'm taken to LettingLead. So you'll notice that I've created a custom landing page for this one. If we go back, you can see that it matches the company website perfectly. All I'll have to do now is enter my details, find address, and enter some details about the property. So I'm entering the number of bedrooms, number of bathrooms, some means of contact, so my telephone number and my email address. Filled all that in, we can click submit, and straight away we're given our property valuation, both for sales and lettings, as well as the Google Maps view of it as well. Okay, so at this point you'll then receive an email with the landlord's details ready for you to contact. If we go back to LettingLead and refresh that page, that's going to appear at the very top. Like I said, it's ordered chronologically, so just to keep it as simple as possible. Just to be clear, I think you will receive more leads simply doing this. We think you can go one step further, which is why we integrated with Facebook advertising. So if we go over to settings, you can see that we can enter our Facebook Pixel ID as well as our Google Analytics ID. Now, Facebook Pixels, they're basically a line of code that you put on your website, and it allows you to track your visitors. It allows you to create ads to retarget to individuals who've already been on your website. And you can get this code when you sign up to a Facebook advertising account. So once you've got that code, it's simply a case of entering it in here, or if you're confused about any of that, just drop me an email and we can get that sorted out for you. To sign up or to start your free trial, it's simply a case of heading over to lettinglead.com and hitting register on the top right of the screen. So I hope all that made sense. If you do have any more questions, like I said, just drop me an email, simeon@lettinglead.com, and I'm sure we can arrange a quick 5-minute call to discuss any questions. Right now, there are no setup fees at all. And when you do sign up, there'll be a free email course on using Facebook ads to get more landlords. So once again, thanks for listening, and I'll speak to you again soon.